My name's Jack. I am 26 years old. I'm an artist and a youth worker. I grew up in Perhane, in the Waterside of the city, but then a lot of the rest of my time would have been spent at my granny's house, and she lived in Fountain Council Estate, which is the only Protestant estate in the city side of the city remaining. Some people in my family would be involved with the likes of the Orange Order and the Apprentice Boys and the bonfires. As I got older and realised that I was queer, obviously that's something that doesn't necessarily fit into the sort of identity that the rest of my family fitted into so easily. So obviously growing up, I felt this disconnect, the sort of unionism and Protestantism. In a city like Derry, where it's predominantly Catholic, you then have this strange paradox where you don't fit in with your own identity, but you also kind of grow up feeling that you don't belong to the other community or the other identity as well. I guess I was always jealous whenever my friends started going to secondary school and were learning Irish, and I was absolutely raging that I didn't get a chance to do that just because of the school that I was going to. There was one friend in particular that was really pivotal in me deciding to learn Irish. She ended up taking up an opportunity to teach the class that I'm a part of now in Cluny Hall. And there was an absolutely brilliant mix of people there from all sides of the community, all parts of the town. So I ended up actually signing up then to the morning classes here in the Culturlann. I'm not going to ask too many quick grammar questions and just roll with it and focus on it being fun and having the crack. 5 or 10 years from now, I want to be sitting in a pub in the Gaeltacht, having drunken ramblings with the locals and with the other students. I definitely see myself keeping it up. It's everyone's language, it's all of our language. If you live in Ireland, then it is your language. Is my Jack, is Lomsa and Gaelic.